Okay guys, now as I peel the eggplant and I cut it up, I really put it in a bowl, but with water. So I add water in this bowl, so I'll put the eggplant in here as I cut it up. And the reason for, if it stays out of the water, it usually gets black. You know, so you guys are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. So let me start cutting up my eggplant. So what I'll do, so first I'll cut off the head. And this here, I usually cut mine like this here. It is so big, you guys may not be able to do it like me. So what I'll do, I'll cut it in half like this here. And see how it looks? And if you want, you could do it like this. So I sit down like this here and you just, she wouldn't cut your hand. Oh yeah, a finger. I just do it like this here. Now, I'm gonna cut like this here, all the way down. All right, and go one, not all the way through. And then like this. See how it's gonna look? Look like this here. So I'm gonna do that with all of the rest I have. So you guys are gonna see when I'm finished, and then I put in the bowl with water. Right? The eggplant look like right now. It's in the water here, is what it look like. So now I'm gonna put on my stove and attempt to cook it. So you guys gonna see how I cook my eggplant. You see, I use a very big bowl so I can have the water so it's so good. See? Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start cooking my eggplant. Guys, follow me and watch and see how I'm gonna cook my eggplant. First, I'm putting my celery. My oil is already hot. And this is one way you could cook eggplant. There's several ways you could cook it. Okay? Now I'm gonna put in my eggplant. Remember, it's in the water. So what I usually do, let me just move this over here. Pick it up and I just squeeze and then put it in. Squeeze the excess water, come out. And this is just one of the different ways you could cook eggplant.
So why are you squeezing out the water from it?
Because this eggplant is going to produce its own water. Once it covers, it's going to produce its own water. Some eggplant produce a lot of water.
So you don't have to add water to it?
No.
What? I don't.
You have to add water to this. Some people like to leave the skin on, to eat with the skin. It's good to eat with the skin. I just don't like the skin. I like it like this. This is one of the way I usually cook it. So now I'm gonna cover it over, and you're gonna see how this much is gonna reduce. So you're gonna cover this in now. Okay, that's the wrong cover. Let me get the right one now. Okay, good. So let it sit here for a few minutes, guys, and you're gonna see. Okay, guys, so this is gonna be my first stir. So the color of the eggplant started changing and looking like, how kind of color is it? Looking kind of water, the color like that, whatever, kind of greenish, brownish, citrus-ish. See, it's gonna look like. So now we're gonna put some seasoning in here. I'm using this here, the chicken flavor. Now I'm gonna use one, which is in a block, and you guys saw the powder form I usually use. And you can mash it up. It's soft. Which is this here, but this is in the powder form. I put my garlic powder. I put in diced onions. Turn on my stove. Flake parsley. Put some onion powder. Put some paprika. With it. And then give it some color. And I put a dash of cayenne pepper, which is very spicy. A little black pepper. Inside the paprika, give it a nice little orangish color. And if you want, guys, you could put also tomato and ketchup in here if you want to. That also give it a nice flavor, a nice color, and stuff like that. I'll put some salt. And you guys see, I put no meat in here because I cooked the pineapple, the chicken separate. I'm putting my bell pepper in there now. Orange bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. Guys, on this eggplant, this is a make roti. This is good with roti. Okay, for those who know about roti or even fry bake, this is good with fry bake. Okay, even try this with a tortilla wrap. You know the tortilla wrap for the taco, the soft one? You just put it inside. You try with that too. It'd be good. I may try one later. This is it, guys. So, this is how I cook one of the ways I cook eggplant, and I'll be showing you guys all the different ways that I cook eggplant. But today is this. This is one. And this is very, very delicious, man. If you eat with rice, you could, as I said earlier, tortilla, roti, fry bake. Did I say rice? Yes, but this is one of the ways that I cook eggplant. It's very, very delicious. You could even use, if you want to eat with bread, you can use bread also. If you guys want to bake some sweet potato and baked potatoes and boiled plantain, whatever you guys want to do, this is very, very good. Vegetarian, you would love this. There's no meat in this here. You guys would love this. Guys, thanks for watching Pew Kitchen. Remember, guys, stay positive, stay excited, guys, and stay well. And I'll see you when I see you in Pew Kitchen and all my new viewers. Please subscribe. Guys, please leave a comment. Please share. If you like this video, thumbs up, guys. I appreciate it. Okay, you guys have a good one.